Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. Today I have an eyeshadow tutorial and review on the Huda Beauty Nude Light palette. I did have a request come in from one of my subscribers over on my Sephora haul asking if I could do a tutorial on this palette, and I was like, of course I will, because I love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Not all of them, most of them. So before I show you the tutorial, of course, I'm going to give you all of the information on this palette. This palette is exclusive to Sephora and it does retail for $37 Canadian. Besides the Nude Light, there is Nude Medium and Nude Rich. Now, of course, these palettes are more expensive than her original first ones that she put out, the mini palettes, because of course the packaging. This packaging is really nice and it's beautiful plastic packaging. I really like it. It's really good for traveling because you don't have to worry about your palettes getting damaged. And of course, it's just all around. Just look at this packaging. So gorgeous, so me. And of course, this does come with 9 eyeshadows in here, and they are just beautiful. Now, if you're wondering about the new Nudes palette, if it's something similar, this here is like my holy grail palette. I use this palette so much, like every single day ever since I got it. And the pigmentation's there, the quality is there. It is just a beautiful palette. When you put them side by side, they do look kind of similar, but when you apply the shadows to your lids that are similar, they're really not. They do perform the same. Very nice. They blend really well, but they are most certainly different. Now, if you guys don't have this one, because this one here is like in the 80 plus range, which is expensive, and if you don't have it and you really love the tones in this one, I recommend going for this one because it's not as costly. You're getting all the color payoff that you want and how they blend. Everything is there in this palette, just like it would be in this palette. It's just that the sizes are different and you're not getting as many eyeshadows. Created to suit every skin tone and eye color, each palette contains incredible shade range from buttery mattes, super shimmery shadows, and complementary metallic shades, all with smooth and blendable textures. So there were the swatches. So now I'm going to go ahead, show you how I created this look, and give you my final thoughts at the end of this video. so of course, I love the look that I created with the Nude Light palette. This palette is beautiful. Like I said, if you want the new Nudes palette, but it's the price that really got you holding back, and that I definitely recommend this palette because the quality is there, just like the bigger palette. And I just love the shades in here. I love the metallics, I love the mattes, I love the shimmery shades. They all blended so well. Of course, there was a tiny little bit of fallout, but I just dusted that off. And I will have to say, with these two shades right here, the purple and the pink shade here, when I applied them to my lid, I applied it with the little Huda applicator, and that was applied completely dry. So it did apply beautiful when dry, but then I went ahead off camera, added a little tiny bit of setting spray to that brush, and I applied it again, and it just made it pop a little bit extra. So they apply beautiful when dry, and they also apply beautiful when they are wet with the setting spray. The mattes are just beautiful. Of course, I love matte eyeshadows. Matte eyeshadows are like my go-to favorite eyeshadows of all time, and these matte eyeshadows perform really well. Do I want to get the Nude Rich and the Nude Medium palette? Maybe, because I'm just so impressed with this palette. And like I said, it's very travel friendly, and if you have the other two, then you have like 3 palettes that you can combine together and create so many looks, not just using one palette, but you can mix them all together. All in all, I'm really impressed with the Huda Beauty Nude Light palette. Let me know in the comments down below if you have this palette, if you have the Nude Medium or the Nude Rich, or what Huda Beauty palettes do you own, and what is your favorite one? Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!